herbal supplements have been used for centuries in various cultures to enhance sexual health and activity. While scientific evidence varies, some herbal supplements may offer potential benefits in this area. Here's a closer look at a few popular options. 1. Ginseng. Benefits, often praised for its energy-boosting properties. Ginseng may help improve libido and sexual function. Some studies suggest it can enhance erectile function in men. How it works. Ginseng is thought to improve blood flow and increase nitric oxide production, which is vital for erections. 2. Maca root. Benefits. Maca is known for its potential to increase sexual desire and improve stamina. Some studies indicate it may boost libido in both men and women. How it works. It's rich in amino acids and other nutrients that may help regulate hormones. 3. Tribulus terrestris. Benefits. This herb is often used to enhance libido and improve sexual performance. Some research suggests it may increase testosterone levels, which can improve sexual desire. How it works. It may stimulate the production of hormones that enhance sexual function. 4. Horny goatweed epimedium. Benefits. Traditionally used to treat erectile dysfunction. Horny goatweed is thought to enhance sexual performance and improve libido. How it works. It contains acarian, which may improve blood flow and support erectile function. 5. Fenugreek. Benefits. Some studies suggest that fenugreek can increase testosterone levels and improve sexual function in men. How it works. It may enhance libido and overall sexual satisfaction. Considerations. While herbal supplements can provide benefits, it's essential to approach them with caution. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any herbal supplement. Consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Quality matters. The quality and concentration of herbal supplements can vary widely. Choose reputable brands. Individual responses. Not everyone will respond the same way to herbal supplements. Effects can differ based on individual health and circumstances. Conclusion. Herbal supplements may have the potential to improve sexual activity, but results can vary. A balanced approach that includes a healthy diet, exercise, and stress management is also crucial for maintaining sexual health.